Welcome to another lost railway town, Staffordshire moorland still. We're in the small town of Cheadle today. It's a population of around 12k. In terms of a lost railway town, this may be a short video. So what's it famous for? This is quite a rich coal mining area, is Cheadle, this surrounding landscape. Just past JCB on the way into the town just now. And it's not too far away from the popular tourist destination of Alton Towers. It's not for me though, I can assure you that. It's a curious looking monument, isn't it? So what about Cheadle's railway history? I wasn't expecting this. Got a nice little information board here. So it seems like Cheadle in terms of railways was pretty much forgotten about. It had to wait until 1901 for the railways to arrive in the town. And it was the end of a short branch line that ran just off the Derby to Crewe line. It lost its passenger service in 1963. The station was demolished in 1986 and the remainder of the platforms went in the 1990s. Interesting, just follow the track bed. We're just on the entrance to where the station was there. Now there's nothing left of the station. The station master's house is still there, but the station is now a new housing estate. If we look on the maps, we can see like Sidings Court, Station Road still there, Pullman Close. But it looks like a fairly well-trodden path, but it just comes up to some steel fencing, so never mind. And I can't see a way through to that new housing estate without a lengthy detour, so I think I'll just pull up some overhead maps for you on that one. So I'm just looking away from Cheadle station, which is just the site of which was just behind me. Now that original branch line I've just mentioned just now, that was diverted away from a tunnel. Let me just show you on the maps. As I mentioned, Cheadle seemed to be forgotten as a destination for the railway. Lines pass only a handful of miles to the north and the south, but none deemed Cheadle worthy to pass through. Though plans to link Cheadle to the national network started in 1848, though it would be over 50 years until the railway actually arrived in the town. We can see here Cheadle was the end of a branch line, only 4 miles by rail to the connection with the main line at Cresswell. You'll see 2 different lines on this branch. Now the original line was completed in 1901, and that's this one, the more westerly alignment. However, along this line was a tunnel that was fraught with difficulties from the start. Several collapses and maintenance issues caused the line to be shut for long periods, a huge inconvenience to the town of Cheadle and its surrounding collieries and industry. In 1933, the London, Midland and Scottish Railway, who the line now sat under, decided it was more cost effective to build an alternative route, a deviation, and that's what we can see here. The new deviation rejoined the old line near Tian. I hope I'm saying that right. So the original line kind of went off in that direction, and the diversion went off to the left. That was done in 1933. And there's a nice old photo on this information board here, look. So because it's here, and the lack of anything else to show you in Cheadle Railway related, just going to have a little wander down the track bed for 10 minutes. Looks like an old sign there, so I'm assuming this was a level a foot crossing, probably a warning sign, warning peoples to take care when crossing. So let's just have a wander down the track bed, see if there's anything that sticks out. So there's an awful lot of fresh ballast down here, isn't there? I suppose in the grand scheme of things, this line's not been disused for that long, has it? In fact, on those early National Library of Scotland maps, just looking at here, this is still showing under the course of construction. Many years after the 1963 closure to passenger services, in March 1985 an intercity charter train hauled by a Class 47 fetched passengers up the Cheadle branch for one last time from London Euston. This was to be the last ever train to Cheadle. It wasn't until 1989 that the Cheadle branch was finally severed from the main network at Cresswell. So that's Cheadle. Did feel like I'm rushing Cheadle a little bit, if I'm being honest, but I've squeezed it in at the end of a day filming other stuff, and it is fast approaching tea time, so I need to get back on the road. Cheers for watching. Channel members, massively appreciated as always. Anyone who buys me a coffee, sends me a super thanks, supports me in any way. Don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.